exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, raise your both hand up, 1, 2, 3, hai chân lên, up, 1, 2, 3, both hands side of the body, 1, 2, 3, turn your body right side, bend 5, 1, 2, 3, bend chai, 1, 2, 3, hai chạy xuống, hít vào, hai tay lên, thở ra, hai tay xuống, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. One step, open your leg, mat to mat, and twist your hands, right to left, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chân phải lên, tay phải back. Yes, same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Change your leg, chin chai, tay chai back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hai chân lên, open, straight, open. Yes, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both legs in front of your body. Thẳng chân. 1, come on, try. 2, 3, 4. Hai chân xuống. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Thở ra. Turn your body right side, bend 5. Hai tay xuống, đầu xuống. Hít, hai tay lên. Thở, left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. The last one, inhale, center. Exhale, right side, and stay for another 5 count. Move. Hai, ba, bốn, năm. Hít, thở, bên trái. 1, 2, 3. First, fold your right leg side of the left foot. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, come forward. Again, slowly. Inhale, raise your both hands up. Left hand down, right hand over your head. Yes, very good job. Same inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, left hand back side of the body. Right hand grab your left ankle. Yeah, that's great. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward, grab your ankle. Forehead touch to legs. Continue same way. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, left hand down, right hand over your head. Same way. Inhale up. Exhale, left hand back side, right hand grab your ankle. Okay, nice. Hold on. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward, grab your ankle, and you have to stay here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same way, slowly inhale up, raise both hands up. Exhale, left hand down, grab your knees, right hand over your head, grab your ankle, maintain here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up.
Exhale, left hand back side of the body, right hand grab your ankle. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Shake your leg, change your side. Left hand, left leg fold. Inhale up, exhale, bend forward. Very good job. Same way, slowly inhale, raise both hands up. Right hand grab your knees, left hand over your head, grab your ankle. Slowly inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, right hand back side of the body, left hand grab your ankle. Continue, please, keep continue. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, same way, bend forward, Padahastasana. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale, same way, right hand back side, left hand grab your ankle. Again, inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, right hand back side of the body, left hand grab your ankle. Very good job. Continue, please. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Forehead touch leg, you have to maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good job. Relax. Inhale up, raise your both hands up. Again, exhale, right hand grab your left knees, left hand over your head, grab your ankle. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good job. Again, inhale up. Exhale, right hand back side of the body, left hand grab your ankle. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Shake your leg. One step, open your leg outside of the mat. As much as possible, you can split your leg. Very good job. Now try to continue. Inhale, raise both hands up. Exhale, try to bend your body to the right side. Same way, inhale up. Exhale, left side to bend. Very good job. Just try to focus on your love handle side fat. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale to the right side down. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side down. Very good. Keep continue, please. Inhale up. Exhale to the right side. Just try to maintain. Inhale up. Exhale to the left side. Very good, very good. Keep practicing. Inhale up. Exhale. Slowly to the right side. You have to just maintain here. A couple of breath. Just hold here. Try to relax yourself. Relax, relax, and relax. Very good. Nice. Same way, inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale to the left side and just try to hold for 5 breaths. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. Again, slowly inhale, raise your both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. As much as possible, you can come forward slowly. Finger to finger, slowly bend forward as much as possible you can. Just try to open your hip. Just try to enjoy the posture. Very good, very good. Nice. Again, inhale, raise your both hands up, and both hands grab your both big toes and try to touch your chin and chest on the mat. That's great. If you cannot, as much as possible, you should try. Very good job. Relax, relax, and relax. Now try to slowly lie down on the back. After practice, we are lie down and complete. We are going to relax our body, our mind. This is called deep relaxation technique. So just try to focus my word and try to focus my chanting. Let's go.
Hit bar. Inhale. to relax. Relax your mind. Relax your soul. Relax your whole body. Just relax. One more time. Inhale. Chant loudly. Inhale. Goodbye. Try to relax. Relax and relax. Legs together, please. Both hands over your head, high thigh, limb, thang chang, thang thigh. Just tight, tight and tight. Turn your body right side, then thigh. With the support of the both palms, sit down. Nolen, sit down. Sit comfortably. Come to Chin Mudra and close your eyes. Yammat lie. Hit. Tha. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We are going to chant Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. 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 Shanti. Shanti. Shanti.